how to divide a polynomial expression by another polynomial expression. Today I gonna show you the proper way to divide algebraic division. Let's see. First of all, we have to make sure that both the dividend and the divisor are arranged in descending order of the power of their common algebraic symbol. We have to arrange them in descending order. Here the dividend will be arranged 2x to the power 4 minus 48x plus 110, and the divisor will be arranged x square plus 4x plus 11. Now we will divide here x square plus 4x plus 11. The dividend is 2x to the power 4 minus 48x plus 110. Now we have to divide this first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. Here I will show you the steps. So the first term is 2x to the power 4. 2x to the power 4 divided by x square. If we divide 2x to the power 4 divided by x square, we will get 2x square. 2x square. Now what do we do? Multiply entire divisor by this quotient. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. X square equals x to the power 4. Now this term 4 times 2 equals 8. X square times x equals x cube. Now this 11 times 2 equals plus 22 and x square. As we subtract, we have to change the signs of the bottom line. Positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative. Positive 2x to the power 4, negative 2x to the power 4 gone off. These terms also arranged in descending order. Negative 8x cube, then negative 22x square, then negative 48x, negative 48x, then plus 110. Hope you get it. Again, we have to divide this first term by this first term. Let's see the steps. Negative 8x cube divided by x square. X square. So if you divide x cube by x square, we have negative 8x. So we get negative 8x as the quotient. Here negative 8x. Now we will multiply entire divisor by this negative 8x. Negative and positive negative. 8 times 1 8. X and x square equals x cube. Now multiply this term. Plus and minus minus. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32. X times x equals x square. Now we have left positive 11. 11 times 8 equals 88 and x. Again we have to subtract these expressions. Change the signs of the bottom line. Negative 8x cube, positive 8x cube gone off. Minus 22x square plus 32x square, we have left 10x square. Minus 48x plus 88x, we have remain plus dx and plus 110. Now we have to again divide this expression by these terms. So first we have to divide 10x square by this x square. 10x square divided by x square. X square cancel, we have remain positive 10. So this positive 10 is the quotient. Now we have to multiply this divisor by this 10. 10 times 1 equals 10 and this x square. And this term will be multiplied by this 10. 4 times 10 equals 40 and x times 1 equals x. Sign will be remain positive. So 10 times 11 equals 110. Now we have to again subtract these expressions and we have to change the signs of the bottom line. Positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative, positive becomes negative. Positive 10x square, negative 10x square gone off. Positive 40x, negative 40x gone off. Positive 110, negative 110 gone off. We have left 0. So the required quotient is 2x square minus 8x plus 10. This one is the answer. I hope you get it. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share and follow for the next videos. Bye bye.